Hello, welcome to another Fingernail Fixer video. Today we're going to cover a quick salon timing friendly St. Patrick's Day design. You can start off with any base color of gel polish that you would like. For this I'm going to use a neutral color, applying 2 layers of color and then applying a little pot for a pot of gold using a black gel polish. You can use a small art brush and a little bit of your black gel polish after your base color has been cured. Just kind of draw the shape of your pot. I find that it's easy to use a small kind of square brush and do 2 large parentheses that come together, and that by default creates the little pot. And you don't want to polish it to the full black coverage, otherwise it may not completely properly cure. So go ahead and do a somewhat thin layer of your gel polish to get the outline design of your little pot of gold. Then using the brush, you can kind of press it across to get the lip of your pot of gold. Then in the top film or sticky layer of your gel polish down below, you could go ahead and apply some gold or gold holographic transfer foil to create basically your gold coming out of the pot. Cure the black and then come in with your art brush and go over your black pot of gold again to give it its full black color. By doing it in the 2 layers, you make sure that that design is completely cured so you don't have a little mushy spot from it being too thick. When you go in and add that second layer of polish, you can do it really quickly so that you can just come in with a little bit of alcohol and clean brush and just swipe around any spots that you kind of got a little messy going in with the second layer. Or if you wanted to take your time and be a little more neat about the second layer, then you would eliminate any need to clean up. It just depends on how rushed you are or how shaky your hand is or any multitude of things. Go ahead and cure that second layer of black so that your pot of gold is finished, and you can top coat the entire design to protect your transfer foil so that it will last for the 2 or 3 weeks that your client is going to wear it. I hope this gives you a really quick and easy idea for a fun pot of gold look for St. Patrick's Day. Make sure to charge what you're worth when it comes to nail design. Please see below in the caption for what tools and colors were used in this video. Click like if you enjoyed it, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me.